Level 1, Apprentice. You're no one now, just a name, El Topo. In the darkness beneath the border, the smell of wet earth fills your lungs, and even the echo of your own footsteps feels sharp enough to betray you. In your hand is only a trembling flashlight and a single order from your boss. Be quiet, be fast, never look back. Every meter you pass through isn't just soil. You don't know how many ghosts of people who once walked here and never returned fill this space. Your heart pounds in your chest like a drum, but you're learning to keep your face blank, because here, fear is the clearest declaration of weakness. You're on the lowest rung of the cartel, but you know these tunnels aren't just earth, they're the veins of an empire. Every square meter woven with secrets the men above have never told anyone. Level 2, Coordinator. Months pass, trust is earned, and one day you realize you're no longer just a courier, you're a coordinator. Coded words on the radio, code names, a chessboard of knowing whose, where, and when awaits you now. One wrong move, one tapped phone, one untrusted glance, any of it could get you promoted or erase you for good, and you learn to live on that thin line. Every rank in the organization carries a story, and you learn this firsthand. The man who brought you in had actually entered this world to pay for his father's surgery in the hospital. You still remember the hopeful look in his eyes. 1 year, he'd told you, I'll only last 1 year. Now he'll never see that money, because 2 weeks ago he vanished on charges of betrayal. No one speaks his name anymore, as if he never existed, and every night you try to fall asleep thinking about how easily that void gets filled. Level 3, Planner. As time passes, you're the one drawing up the plans now, making the decisions, but as your power grows, so does your paranoia at the same pace. Everyone you trust starts to look like a potential informant. Even your closest friend's smile seems to carry a double meaning. Every night before sleep, you check that the door is locked 3 times. Your pulse spikes at every car sound. As you rise, your responsibility grows heavier, the weight on your shoulders doubling by the day, but you know, the same system that put you in this seat is one that can bring you down at any moment without warning. Now at night, you fall asleep doing the math not just on the business, but on your own life. Level 4, El Jefe, the peak. When you reach the top, your money, your power, the number of people who fear you all at their peak, but you notice something, you can no longer truly go anywhere. Every step you take is watched. Every phone call carries a potential threat. Your family now lives in your shadow. The night federal agents break down your door, or a partner you've trusted for years sells you out. In that single breath, you understand just how fragile everything you've built really was. And in that moment, the only truth echoing in your mind is this: there's never a real winner in this game, only those who lost later than the rest. You entered this world looking for a way out, maybe a debt, maybe a family, maybe just the hope of a better life. But now, at the point you've reached, your only way out is either a cell or a gravestone. Do you think this journey was really worth it?